So let's talk about this burp suite decoder. This is like a normal online decoder, but it's present in the burp suite, so you don't need to uh, use the online tools for the decoding. It has some decode as URL encoding, HTML, base64, hex, octal binary, and zzip, and you can encode in the same way. And you can also hash the values in this or the hash formats. So for now, let us concentrate on this encoding. So you can say let me type nickel, and now I can type the encode as base64. So you can see this is the base64 value of this nickel. I can just copy this. So if I click on this decode as base64, I will get the another response, that is the nickel. So you can also encode it as hex. Wait, what? So okay, first we encode it as octal. So you need to press this hex to see the hexadecimal value. You can see the nickel value here, NiKHIL. So that's the value of this in hex. And you can also add these hashes. Let's type the SHA-1, and you can see this is the SHA-1 hash for this nickel. So you need to click on this text. Of course, in also in hex format also you can see the hex values, and then decimal normal text format. You can also encode it as URL. So you can fastly encode and decode the URL, because if you are working with some SQL injection, then you need to encode some of the components in the some of the values into the URL encoding. So that's why this encoder and decoder has been inserted into burp. So you can quickly decode or encode the URL or any other format quickly without referring to the online tools. So you can also use this for zzip as well. So you can compress this data into the zzip format. So I hope that's all about this decoder. You can pretty much use the online encoders and decoders as well, but burp has some decoding options. You can just quickly decode and encode them.